Hey guys, this is 4GamersXXX, and I've been working on a project lately. I started last night, and I needed some tips. So far, the thing I'm doing, I'm taking an old white Xbox, the case, and turning it into a PC case. So far, I've been able to I've been able to screw in the motherboard to this little metal piece connecting to here. And that's all in place, but my issue is, I could get it to work, but the power source, the power supply actually, not the power brick, is too big. If I set it like that, it's blocking the fan intake, and can't put the top on. So I'm either going to have to buy, like, extensions or something for this, but I needed your guys' opinions, and I wanted to update you on my project. This is 4 gigabytes of RAM and a dual core. It's a mini ATX motherboard. And the original PC case is like down here. This is the original PC case. And the other part to the Xbox case is down there. And I'm trying to get this to work. Here's my Slim, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. If not, I'll just put the PC back in the other case. I just put thermal paste on this, so. But that's it for now. I'll update you guys later if I do get it to work, or leave your feedback in the comments. Obviously, like and favorite. See you guys later.